Have you ever thought about sustainability in welding? Of course I did. And as you know me, I tried an analytical approach. So what means sustainability? It has two aspects. First aspect is preserve resources, and the second aspect, of course, protect the environment. And now we have to bring that into connection with welding. So which resources do we use in welding? And of course, everybody thinks about the welding power source first. And in this aspect, of course, you should not use a transformator welding power source, but an inverter power source, which has a much higher efficiency. So that's quite clear and straightforward. Second aspect is the shielding gas. This is also a resource and, of course, a cost factor. And there are various methods on how to save shielding gas during the welding process, starting from mechanical means up to sophisticated electronic valves. This helps on this side. And if you have the freedom, sometimes you can also work on the filler metal and on the base material. For instance, in 6-sheet welding, if you can minimize the opening angle of the sheets, this saves a lot of time, energy, and filler metal, and thus also saves resources. And of course, our last aspect, protecting the environment. Yeah, think about the welder. Everybody knows about fume extraction nowadays. So if you have fume extraction at source, you protect not only the welder, but you also capture the hazardous gases right there where they are generated, and so you protect the environment. So considering all these aspects of sustainability, you can, of course, save resources and protect the environment. And the starting point always should be that you have to measure these resources. So if you don't know where you are, you cannot optimize anything. So if you start measuring all your resources and all your environmental effects, then you can start optimizing your processes and bring more sustainability into welding.